So this is what I've done in this vlog. Mainly first, let me open my browser. I watch my browser. Here it is. Oh, my screen's going on. So basically, this is what I made. So basically, README has this little special thingy, this like icon, this little banner. So here's the GitHub README banner, and here's the application icon, which is basically the fave icon that I built, which I made, which is a pain in a little pain. You can never see the design. You can go to the vector here. I just custom mapped like shapes here, which is not the best Figma idea. If you have better ideas, please DM me on Slack. I have no clue how to do this. I'm a newbie in Figma and I have no idea how this works, so you know. Please forgive me. We have a fave icon now. Basically, the fave icon is basically in the icon/fave icon.ico directory. You can replace it with your own if you want to, but the default is basically this icon. Transparent, of course. Minus the ICO, which is I switched to ICO and it broke everything. This page will have the SVG version, which I'll be adding right now. Basically, the issue is that you replace the SVG and the ICO file, basically. It's gonna be a little annoying for people, but that's not the point. But okay, fix that. So basically, okay. So, yeah, that's okay. And also, last commit, I'm gonna say something. I fixed the obtain downlink, so basically it stores the DB. Every time you request a new link, I want a new link. It will store your general random UID as the ID, and then random string, which is basically this, will be returned to client. And then the client ID, which is basically your unique client ID per browser. But one of the issues is that you can open a lot of browsers, like this, and incognito. Yeah. So basically, this is somewhere I forgot. This is generally where this is not very helpful. I don't want to log IP addresses. IP addresses are dumb. I don't want to do that, since if you're on a public system, you have a bunch of people using the same IP address. I don't want to do that. There's also a matching file, which is the file UUID instead of the file name. We're using file UUIDs to get the file. So basically, check here, matching file, get DL stuff, matching file. So basically, getting UUID. So basically, most of the system is just UUID. So don't worry, it's just UUID stuff. Yeah, I believe that's it. Oh yeah, I also fixed the get file system. Basically, I just add SQL on the front to fix the issue. Originally, this is broken, completely broken. The limit to per client is just make sure this I'm gonna put back. Basically, I have this computer. I have Chrome, for example. This downlink can only be used in this browser. It cannot be used in this or this, or matter of fact, my laptop. You cannot use it. Oh, that's my wrong. But you can use it on this as well. Basically, it's yeah. let's click that again. Basically, you only can use on the browser that you create the link on. For example, you wipe your basically local storage table stuff. You lose your cookie and you cannot get the download link. Like regaining that download link. You need to refresh, get the page, go to the page, click on download, and then you can re-download the file. And each file can be limited to how much time the owner allows it to exist. Actually, I haven't coded that function yet. The function is just only 12 hours. I should code that, and because I want to give people much more control of their files, their downloads, things, stuff. Me, the person who coded the code, gets to limit that. I don't want to do that. It's stupid. So, yeah, I'll fix that maybe tomorrow. Yeah, that's kind of it.